Planning a kitchen renovation can be overwhelming, but with the right tools and guidance, it doesn't have to be. Today, we're going to show you how Ronbow cabinets can help you plan and execute a seamless California kitchen renovation. Let's get started. First things first, take a close look at your kitchen and assess its strengths and weaknesses. Are you lacking storage, in need of better organization, or considering a complete layout overhaul? Understanding your specific needs is key. It will help you create a renovation plan that not only enhances functionality, but also elevates the overall aesthetic of your kitchen. Once you've carefully assessed your kitchen's needs, it's time to bring your vision to life. Our extensive selection of cabinets offers a variety of styles, finishes, and configurations, allowing you to design a kitchen that's perfectly tailored to your lifestyle. Whether you're aiming for a sleek modern look, a cozy traditional feel, or something uniquely yours, Ronbow cabinets provide the versatility to make your dream kitchen a reality. With your design finalized and cabinet selected, it's time to bring your vision to life. At Ronbow, all of our cabinets are proudly made in California using state-of-the-art CNC machines and skilled craftsmanship. Our manufacturing process is precise and efficient, combining cutting-edge technology with expert human oversight. Once the cabinets are installed, it's time to add those finishing touches that make your kitchen uniquely yours. Choose hardware that suits your style, pair your cabinets with the perfect countertops, and get creative with a backsplash that ties everything together. These details bring your vision to life, and before you know it, you'll be enjoying your dream California kitchen. Ready to start your California kitchen renovation? Let Ronbow help you create a seamless process from start to finish. Contact us today to get started, and don't forget to subscribe for more renovation tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching.